Alright, hey guys, this is my bike again. This is what it looks like with the new parts on it. Again, the DK Exo chain looks very nice. The DK plastic pedals, as you can see, I've ridden them a little bit. So yeah, DK and DK grips. I really like these. I would recommend these. They're kind of dirty because we ain't using them. So, and I also got a stem from one of my friends. His name is Carlos. Shout out to him. And yeah, stolen convict. Really nice. Alright. Yeah, it's real nice. So yeah, and also got from him a nitrous back wheel. It's alright. I wouldn't really recommend it for you more advanced people, but it's good. So yeah, and I also got a seat from my friend Alan, seat post combo. Shout out to Alan. And yeah, it's my bike. Peace.